This is our house number 1. Let's get to see how it looks. This is the sitting room. I believe it's the TV will be here. This will be our sitting room area. It's a very clean house. I think the TV will be here. So come with me. Because of the lighting, I have to open. This is the kitchen area. It's a really beautiful space. I mean, my cooking videos, you'll be seeing them. Even just to choose this house, you'll be seeing them from here. Yeah, it's I can say it's a bit spacious because I mean, look at all this space. All this. So if you have a fridge, you can place it there, your cooker over there, and then again you have your cabinets over here. They are very clean. You see, there are more spaces over here. Yes. Yeah, and I mean, it's water. Yeah, more space up here for my spices. Look at that. Yeah, so come with me as I show you my balcony. Yeah, so when I'm outside here, this will be my view. So very therapeutic, very beautiful houses out here. Mapera, there's a mapera tree over there. So yeah, it's a really beautiful space. So let's get to see the bedroom. Come with me to the bedroom. So you guys, this is my bedroom. You guys consider this space. It's enough. It's enough for me. On this other side, I have very beautiful views, and it has very beautiful wardrobes. Sorry, wardrobes. So I'm going to show you, and the socket. So yeah. Here. See? More space here. Yeah. So come with me to show you the restroom. Come. Yeah. So this is the sink. Again, she has water. Yeah. The space is very spacious. It's very and I'm going to be showing here very spacious space. So I'm already in love. So thank you so much guys for watching this video till this point. This is a 1-bedroom located in Botori, 1 kilometer away from Kisii town. It is only going for 15k per month. You can comment down below how much you pay for a 1-bedroom in your towns. And then for water it is free, then tokens of course for electricity, then a small fee of waste management.